We'll make this short and sweet. Maybe. I'm Captain Sabahome.
I am Janice.
And we can't seem to get out of Wasco, California. Today we're going to show you how to install a wooden post. These posts in particular are going to be the supports for some yard lighting overhead.
We will be showing you how to dig the holes using only hand tools.
It may get a bit labor intensive, but at least you'll be doing the job with tools that are easily available to you.
Decide where you are wanting the posts to be installed, and leave yourself as much room as possible around the project location for tools, materials, and the dirt to be extracted.
You'll want post hole diggers, a spade shovel, preferably a ditch shovel, or similar, your water hose nearby, and if possible, a digging bar.
A standard hole for sufficiently anchoring a 4x4 post into the ground should be no less than 12 inches in diameter and 24 inches in depth.
The best strategy to digging a post hole is by trying to get to depth first before you widen the hole. This is really hard dirt, so we're going to let it soak a little bit.
We have 2 posts that we will be installing in this project.
So we'll work on the second post while this is soaking. Let it soften up.
We had already been soaking the location for the second post, hoping that the project would continue to progress in spite of difficulties in digging. However, due to the ground being compacted, it will still require some effort. One of the advantages of having multiple post locations is the fact that we can alternate from one post to the next, making gradual progress with each one, while the other posts continue to soak when the ground is difficult to dig in.
And this is where the shovels and the digging bar come in real handy. They both end up having a sharper edge, so it allows them to dig in deeper and pierce into the dirt a lot better than the post hole diggers can. And this will help break up the dirt a little bit and loosen it up to where the post hole diggers can actually get in there and pick it all up. This will help a lot in getting you to depth a whole lot quicker.
To confirm you are at the correct depth, most post hole diggers have markings on the side of at least one handle. If it does not, simply measure from the tip of the digger blades, 24 inches up to the handle, and mark it beforehand.
Once you are at depth, you can start widening the hole by scraping the walls of the hole with a shovel and digging out the dirt that comes loose with the post hole diggers. This should make your hole 12 inches in diameter and 24 inches deep, and then you'll be ready to start setting up for the post.
But we will save that for another Captain's Shorts. Besides, we need something for our Halloween issue.
Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment for us. We've still got plenty of projects coming your way, so stay tuned.